Hey Scott, this is Tony with Groove Web Services. Just recording this video for you that I promised. I hope everything's going good. I hope business is going good. What I wanted to give you today was a quick rundown of the three main ranking factors Google looks at when it comes to, putting you in its search engine for the keywords that you're interested in. So those three factors are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is nothing more than on your website, the text and images. So you're using Facebook, so things are a little bit different. It's not a static web page. It's pretty dynamic. Things change. So Google indexes these sites every so often. So you're going to be pretty dynamic in this setup. It's good to have a Facebook page. It's sometimes a bit more difficult to use it as your one and only website. So this is you. You've got content on there, but as I say, it keeps changing. I went ahead and found, I think you're in Indianapolis based on your area code. I found one of your main competitors. This is Floorcraft Sanding. So if you look at their homepage, they've got a bit of content on here. Not as much as we would want. We generally suggest 1,500 words or more on the homepage, but all of this text can have keywords and key phrases within it that Google, when it indexes the site, puts into its database and finds you for those keywords. So the other thing you can do with these images sometimes is in the background, the way that the actual image is saved when you upload it, like in this case, this image here was side refinishing. You can put keywords on the file name, save that file, upload it to your site, place it on your website, and you can be found for those keywords as well. And others all through your text, talking about hardwood flooring company here, for example, installing and refinishing hardwood floors. These are phrases. So this site would start to be found for these things if people are searching it. So first and foremost, you got to have your content out there. It's got to be nailed in as far as the SEO side of your on page. The second thing is we're going to go with citations. So citations are your company name, your company phone number, and your company address placed in directories all over the internet. So these are equivalent to what the yellow pages used to be when they showed up in the front of your house, but now they're on the internet. The more of those citations you have out there, the more directory listings, there's like 300 to 400 in the US, the better your chances of ranking here in this map area when people do local searches like hardwood floor refinishing Indianapolis. This tends to push you up into this top three. This is important real estate to have if you're a hungry business owner looking to grow, wanting to get more clicks, wanting to get more calls. You're here. This is where a majority of the clicks happen. Okay. The third thing is backlinks. Backlinks help you out here in the organic listings under the map pack. Backlinks are a vote for your site, essentially having your site's URL or address on another website out there in the internet somewhere. Not all backlinks are created equal. If you have your URL on a niche relevant website, maybe a distributor of hardwood flooring products, maybe a hardwood flooring store in your local area that you get your products from. Maybe they put your company name out there because you're partnering with them. Those types of things are related to your niche and are relevant to your niche, and Google knows that. And if you can get people in those same niches to get your website out there on their site, that'll do you a heck of a lot of good. You can put it in other places as well. There's sources out there. When you get some of these citations, that's actually a backlink too in a lot of cases, because you can put your website in that citation on yellowpages.com or CityStar or sites like that. So those are the three main ranking factors. So with backlinks, when I look at your Facebook page, you have a single backlink, okay? This is getting you found for 2 organic keywords, which is giving you about two people going to your Facebook page a month. It's getting found for Scott's Precision, which makes sense because that's going to be at the top of your Facebook page all the time. And then right now, Duraseal polyurethane satin. This is a national keyword. You're on the 8th page. You're not going to get found for that. even for your Scott's Precision keyword, you're in 8th position. You're barely getting any traffic, and somehow this is being searched 50 times. So I'm assuming somewhere else in the country, there's maybe a bigger company called this. Your competitor that I brought up, they've got 164 domains that have a total of 929 backlinks on it. That's a big difference. This is getting them found for 795 keywords for organic traffic value of 221. This is an estimation. It's not, set in stone. This tool does a decent job estimating. It's called Ahrefs. But if we go into these keywords, you'll start seeing, you'll see some national keywords, floor stain colors, blah, blah, blah. What we're looking for is ones that have your city name tagged on the end. So hardwood floor refinishing, Indianapolis. This is when a customer searches this in Google, this is a high intent keyword, meaning when they search this, they're looking for people to do refinishing for them. This gets searched about 60 times a month in Indianapolis. This number is a number out of 1 to 100 or 0 to 100, signifying how hard it is to rank for this keyword. 4 out of 100 is not hard. This company is number 5 in the organic listing, which is getting them almost 5 clicks. You get up to number 1 here, and you're going to get about 35 probably, somewhere in that range, 28, 30 clicks from this keyword. And then there's going to be others. Floor refinishing, Indianapolis, 40 searches, 3 KD, keyword difficulty. They're in 3rd position. These are the ones. You want these keywords on your website. Okay, there's going to be others out there. I'm not sure exactly how far we got to go. Wood floor refinishing. Is that the same as the previous one? Yeah, it's the same. Oh, no. Wood floor. Yeah, I don't know. There's going to be a few others out there, maybe on page 2 or 3 of this list. But that's the long and short of it. I hope this has been helpful. If you can use this information to help yourself out, good on you. I hope you can do that. If you need or want any specialized help, I'm here to help you. I would suggest, maybe creating a static website on one of these maybe easier to use website builders if you want to do that yourself and get some actual content out there that's static, that has keywords in it, and then you can start creating citations and backlinks. Again, if you need my help, feel free to reach out. You know how to get in hold of me on Facebook. If you need me directly or want to talk directly, the number is 719-338-1955. All right, Scott. I hope you have a good rest of your week. Bye-bye.